All right, and then to do the x-intercepts, remember the y value is 0. So you're going to take 0, plug it in for f of x, and then solve. So in this case, you have to factor this side before you can solve. So this is x minus 3, x plus 1. Remember, you do your factor tree, and then figure out which ones work. And then you split them up. So x minus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0, and then solve. So add 3 to both sides, you get x equals 3. Subtract 1 to both sides, you get x equals negative 1. So that is the x-intercepts, okay? So that's 3.2, all right, on the test. 4.2, if we go all the way down, 4.2 was calculating, was just plugging in these numbers into the right equation. So look at 16. So f of 2 plus g of negative 1. So these numbers you're going to plug in for x into the right equation. So f of 2 you're going to plug into this one, and g of negative 1 you're going to plug into this one. Okay? So we're going to plug in 2 for the x for the f. So 8 times 2 plus 10. So that's 16 plus 10 equals 26. Okay, and then I'm going to plug in negative 1 for the g x's. So over here, so negative 6 times negative 1 squared minus 6 times negative 1. So here I follow PEMDAS, so negative 6 times 1, right, negative 1 squared is 1, and then minus 6 times negative 1. So negative 6 times 1 is negative 6, and then negative 6 times negative 1 is plus 6, so then I get 0. So now I take these answers and then I have to add them together, okay? So 26 plus 0 equals 26. So that's what you do. You just find the right equations and you plug in those numbers in for x's, and then you do whatever the final thing is. So that's, a minus, there's a plus, here's a multiply, okay?